Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do chapter number 7 of Literature Reader. This is a poem, and the name of the poem is The First Tooth. This poem is written by Charles and Mary Lamb. Charles and Mary are siblings and they have written this poem to show the sibling nature. As we can see in the poem that the elder sibling shows his emotions like what he feels when his parents show much concern for the younger sibling. So this poem basically is upon the childhood activity. So we'll start with the poem firstly, and we'll have a look what type of emotions does the elder sibling undergoes when he sees his parents having more concern regarding the younger sibling. So let's start with the poem. Through the house, what busy joy, just because the infant boy has a tiny tooth to show. The elder sibling is telling that the house is busy in joy. There is a lot of joy in the house. The reason behind having such joy in the house is that the infant boy, infant means younger child, the small child, kid, infant, just because the younger kid is having a tiny tooth to show, that means a teeth has grown in the mouth of the younger kid, and everybody is very happy. Everybody is very feeling very joyful just because the younger child of the family, he is having a tiny tooth in his mouth to show. I have got a double row, as all as white and all as small, yet no one cares for mine at all. So the elder sibling is telling here that what happened if the younger sibling is having one single teeth to show in his mouth. I have got a complete set of teeth. Double row here means he is saying that I have got a complete set of teeth in my mouth. All my teeth are white and are of equal size, are small, and still nobody cares for my teeth at all, because everybody is feeling happy, because the reason behind the happiness is that the younger child of the family, the younger kid of the family, he has got a teeth in his mouth, and even I am having a complete set of teeth in my mouth that are white and that are of equal size. Still nobody cares for my teeth. He can say but half a word, yet that single sounds preferred. Now the elder brother is telling that the younger sibling, he's not able to talk properly. He is not even to speak whole words. He speaks only a single word, only a half word, like he speaks a little. But after all this, only his single sound is preferred. Although he is not able to speak properly and I can speak properly, still his sound, still his speaks, still his talks are preferred, because parents think that he speaks very well. To all the words that I can say in the longest summer day, he is saying that I speak all the words. I speak very much and I speak throughout the day, but they don't care about what I speak. They just prefer the words of my younger sibling. He cannot walk, yet if he put with mimic motion out his feet, as if he thought he were advancing, it's prized more than my best dancing. He's again saying in a complaining tone that he cannot even walk properly. After this, if he puts a single feet on the even if he puts a single foot on the ground, like he copies someone actions, people at my house, my family thoughts that he is learning, he is advancing, and his only 1 foot, it is prized, it is considered more than my best dancing. So in this poem, the elder sibling, he is not liking what his parents are considering. His parents are considering his younger siblings actions, because the younger sibling is a kid, when he got his first teeth, or when he is speaking, or when he is putting his first foot. So the elder sibling is not feeling good, because he is feeling that the parents are considering the younger sibling more than him. So this was all about the poem that is related to the childhood activity of a kid when he is concerned about that his parents are not liking what he does, and they are only liking what his younger sibling does. So this was all about the poem. Now let's have a look at the exercises given. See, A part says answer these questions. There are some questions related to the poem. You have to understand the questions and answer them. First is, how old do you think the speaker in this poem is? The speaker of the poem, that means the elder brother. You have to tell what age according to you does the elder sibling has. What is he upset about? What is the reason of being upset? Why the elder brother is upset? You have to tell that. How do the parents react to the sounds made by the baby? Do they react the same way to the speaker? When the little baby makes sounds, like when the little baby speaks, how do the parents react at that? And do you think they react in the same way when the speaker speaks? B part is think and answer. First question is, the baby cannot walk, and yet even a tiny step of his is very important. Why do you think so? The baby is little, the baby is younger, he is not even able to walk properly, and if he takes a tiny step, that step is very important. Why do you think so? What is the reason of one tiny step being so important? Second is, how does the elder sibling feel about the little brother? What is the feeling of the elder sibling about his little brother? And how do you think the elder sibling can be made to feel better? What according to you can be done to make the elder sibling so that he can feel better? So this was all about the poem. I hope you have enjoyed the poem. Now attempt the question and answers carefully. Have a nice day. Thank you.